Welcome team to this how to deploy through Nebula. If you'd rather see a text explanation of this, you can always go to our Need Help tab, or you can reach out to me directly if you are an Ultimate member. Here we are on the Deploy tab. We have our portfolio and we have our single genome. You need to decide what you want to be doing before we step any further into the deployment. We're going to show you some single genome deployment here today. So let's just go to gold, as it's one of my favorite, and we're just going to pick genome 008176. Again, a very reasonable system with a sharp of 3.1. 5,352 trades. Very, very good in terms of the data that we have on it. So not the best profit factor in the world, but we're not necessarily going to be using every system on their own. This is just a walkthrough example. Once we've clicked on this, all we need to do is make sure if we want it auto monitored, we click here and then we set our time. Generally a week is better for a lower time frame system like this on the 5 minute. Then we can literally just double check there's nothing else that we want to change, etc. And we can click deploy and send it directly to our MetaTrader. Now, once it lands in the MetaTrader, if you're doing a single genome, this is only relevant for single genomes, we must make sure that we are testing within the parity timeframes we have here, which is 2025 to 2026, and it tells you all of the settings you need to do, and then the data you should be seeing. When you run your test in your MetaTrader, you should see these data points match relatively close, within 10 to 15%. Deploying a system is really simple. All you do is find it in your Nebula folder in your navigation tab, and then click and drag, and away you go. You are live. And then you'll be able to come to your mission control, and it will track automatically for you. It will show you your trajectory, so on. And if you choose to reevaluate it, you can. If you redeploy it, maybe you've reevaluated it, you've applied some slight tweaks to it. Then you reevaluate and redeploy, it will automatically replace the old one. It doesn't need to be swapped out. It will automatically replace the old one. The only thing you'll need to do is reset your MetaTrader terminal just so it picks up the file change. But that is how to deploy a system. Very simple, very easy. Now, of course, there is more than one type of deployment. So, of course, if you decide to deploy a portfolio, you're going to click on the portfolio tab just up here. And then we're going to pick our portfolio. Now, the only thing that's going to change here is that you cannot parity test a portfolio, because the way that MetaTrader works is it will only test on the pair that you tell it to test on. So you can't test it if you've got a multi-pair system. And if you have more than two systems, it will normally work in a stacking kind of way rather than two separate systems. So, for example, here, we won't be doing any parity tests on the portfolios. But if you choose, you can, within the portfolio tab, deploy 3 individual genomes or however many different genomes you have, and you can parity test them individually. Personally, I built the software. I trust it enough to not have to parity test, but we have to have it there as a formality because we would never want anybody deploying something that isn't data correct. So again, very simple. All we do is click it, scroll down, tick our automatic on. We can hit our compile if we wish to, and it will automatically compile that. It will normally throw a warning, telling you that systems, etc., already open. You can change your risk if you choose to. I'm not going to do that now because we don't need to do that, but you can do that yourself if you choose. So again, super simple. It is the easiest thing ever to deploy a genome or a system on Nebula. So if you have any questions, you can reach me down below. Of course, if you're an Ultimate member, you can reach out to me directly via the Telegram. And if you would like any more information, you can visit the website. Don't forget, you can download it completely free.